Hi guys, today I'm gonna start remodeling of my workshop. So right now there's no insulation in these walls, and I would like to have that made. So today I'm gonna start removing this inner wall. This is some, I don't know if you can hear this, but it's actually hollow. So I think this is some kind of concrete plate, and if you see, as you can see up here, it only goes up to this top side, and this part here is the outer wall. So my plan is to put around 10 to 15 centimeters of insulation and make a new inner wall out of wood. So now I'm gonna start making a hole into this and see what it actually is. So let's find out.
So this is some kind of old plate, wall plate they have put on. I don't know what this is. If you know what it is, write it in the comments. Because I'm not sure what this is, but now it's coming down. Crap. Yeah, let's continue.
Okay, so I got the first part of the inner wall down. So now I'm just gonna move these outlets and the power line for it. I'm gonna move it up so I can remove this piece of wood, and I need to do this all the way. So let's do that. Oh, I need some coffee before I continue this. And some fuel. Woo! I'm gonna finish this and move the power line. Then let's talk what we're gonna do about this wall.
Okay, let's have a look at this.
I don't know if it's easy to see, but right here there's a crack all the way out in the, this is in the outer wall, and not easy to see, but it's actually continuing up there. So this crack is going all the way down here into the foundation. And that's the reason I need to dig down and check how deep it is, and you can see this is just falling apart. Everything is just falling apart. Let's get some more work done. Okay, so I got most of the inner wall down. Now let's have a look at this big crack that's in the wall that I need to fix. So there's a big crack going from down here and all the way up here. That's not good. So I need to fix this. These two cracks are probably because of the missing foundation under the wall. So when I know the foundation is good and stable again under the corner, I can, I don't know how I'm gonna fix this, but some of the wall is made out of some big stones, and the bottom part is made out of bricks. So maybe they ran out of bricks and just decided we're gonna do the rest with some big stones. I don't know what they were thinking. But anyway, I'm gonna remove some of these stones on the floor. Yeah, how hard can it be? Just get started, let's get it done.
Okay, so I just did some digging here. I'm about 80 to 90 centimeters deep, and I can see the foundation is going as deep as that, and that's quite good. And another thing is that when I scratch into this old foundation, it's still pretty hard. So I don't have to remove everything under the wall, and it makes this job a little bit easier. So if I can get some steel rods in and stabilize this, it should keep this crack from expanding anymore. So I'm gonna do this part, and I'm gonna dig the rest of this down to 90 centimeters, and I'm gonna do the same thing, put in steel rods in the wall and pour concrete. And when this is dried up, I can take this part in between and I can start on this corner over here. So when I'm ready to drill in the steel rods and pour some concrete, I'll turn on the camera again. So I just finished digging this hole out. I've just drilled some holes where I'm gonna glue in these steel rods, and the same thing over here. So I'm gonna glue these in now, and then we can start pour some concrete into this.
Okay, so I think I'm ready to fill these 2 holes with concrete, so let's do that.
So that's it. The first part is filled up. I'm gonna let this sit for a couple of days. Then I can remove this wood form and dig out the part in between here and do the same thing. Yeah, and then I can just continue all the way. That's only, how much is it? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 meters more I need to do. So that's gonna be fun. Now I just need to clean up and go have a beer. It's time for that. So now this has been sitting for 24 hours almost. So now I'm gonna take this form off also, and then the fun part, start digging this. Okay, so the next part is ready to get filled with concrete, so let's do that. Okay, so another one is filled. Now I need to do the fun part, clean up, and it's Friday night, so it's time for beers, lots of beers. See you.